I am going to visit Northwestern for just a tour this month. What can I do to set myself apart, and what kind of questions should I be expecting from them versus what I should ask them myself?
Yeah, sure. I mean, in terms of questions from them, they do interviews, right?
Hmm.
So I would expect anything about your background, specifically anything listed on your resume, anything you covered in your personal statement, and then finally, anything that relates to your reasons for wanting to go to law school in general, or why Northwestern specifically. So those are
Hmm.
obviously pretty basic questions, but you want to have answers ready. So take some time to think those over, write them down, talk them out with somebody. I would recommend, if you have a friend or a family member, do a mock interview with you, just
Hmm.
running through a list of maybe 5, 10 questions that you could expect they would reasonably ask. I don't think they're likely to throw you any curveballs, but
Okay,
just be ready for the basics. And
awesome.
then what you could do to set yourself apart, I think you want to come to them with some questions as well. And if they're an alum or they work at the school, if they're an alum, you might want to ask them why they chose Northwestern specifically, what they think sets Northwestern apart. So kind of like flipping the script a little bit and interviewing them about why they chose it, getting them to kind of defend their school in a certain way, not in an antagonistic sense, but more simply try to get them to convince you why you should go there. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.